What's up, guys? Here is my Jaguar XJ8 2000 year 4-liter petrol engine, 209 kilowatts. Condition is quite good, I think, but you can decide on your own from this video. Zero to 100 kilometers per hour or 0 to 60 mile is somewhere around 7 seconds, I think, but I will make separate video for this. I have owned this car for 2 years now. I like this car a lot because it looks very nice, I think. But the reason why I'm making this video is the car has been standing for the winter under the cover, and I haven't started this for 5 months, I think. And when I started the car, restricted performance sign was lighted on the dashboard. Of course, I made a research in Google and internet to fix this problem, but unfortunately I didn't find anything useful to fix that. What I have been done is I have made car diagnostics, and the workshop told me that the problem should be somewhere in the fuel system, and crank sensor error is showing, and as it is an active problem, you cannot just delete it, because sometimes you can just delete the error and just go on with your drive. Well, I will tell you the secret how you can get rid of this restricted performance, because workshop told me that yes, they can check this, but the way to do it is that I should leave the car there, and they start from the beginning as like checking all the fuel system. But what I thought that actually the car has been only standing for all winter, and I have nothing done with it, so basically nothing can be wrong. And why I came to this idea is that I have also all-terrain vehicle, which is also was standing all the winter, and the problem there was with the fuel, the old fuel. I use E98 in this car. So here is the sign I have made, so just to be sure that I won't mix up with diesel, because my other car is diesel, so if I put diesel here it will be some bigger problems, I think. So basically what you have to do is you just have to change the petrol. I had 15 liters in my tank standing all the winter, and I have added here 45 liters. And I just added the fuel and drove for one day, not the whole day, but somewhere for half an hour. It won't let you rev more than 3000 RPM in restricted performance sign. So basically you just put on drive and keep going, just with possible what car is allows you, and then make your drive, go home and park your car, and next day again. It took me 3 days, every day half an hour drive, to fix this problem. And basically for first it will this sign will disappear maybe for 5 minutes, then come back again. So don't worry, just keep on. Basically 3 days, maybe for you earlier or a little bit longer, but the case is that this problem will disappear by itself. It's usually just a old fuel problem. So don't go to workshop or start to disassemble your engine, because start from the simple solution. Don't choose the difficult way first. And that's it. Basically, that's all what I wanted to say to you, because you cannot find anything this information somewhere in Google, because I have searched it, I haven't found it. And so let's start it up and let's see what it does. So as you can see, no problems anymore. Works very nicely. So as you can see, the weather is very nice, and probably I have to go and burn some rubber with this big cat. Well, and for you I wish good luck with your big cats, and keep them safe and drive them and have fun with them. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and like my channel, and see you already in next video. Thank you. Bye.